In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPad does not show the on-screen keyboard. Now to show you the on-screen keyboard on your iPad, just tap on the text field on the screen. And after you do that, you will see the on-screen keyboard. If you have done that and if the keyboard did not appear, just tap on the typing field a couple of times until you see the on-screen keyboard on the screen. And also if you're using an external keyboard with your iPad, for example, if you're using a keyboard folio case with your iPad, or if you're using a Bluetooth keyboard with your iPad will assume that you will use that keyboard instead of the on-screen keyboard, so it will not show it on the screen. So in that case, just remove any keyboard folio case if you have applied to your iPad, and also go to the control center, and the control center, just go to the connection section and turn off Bluetooth. Because sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad might automatically connect to any external keyboard, and this might be why the on-screen keyboard is not appearing on the screen. But if this also did not work, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Now under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad, and after you do that, then just go to the home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just simply press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now if you're using an older iPad, like an iPad with a home button, now to perform a force restart on that type of iPads, just press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And this is how you can fix if your iPad is not showing the on-screen keyboard. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.